Good morning. Okay, I've got a few different bits and pieces of this customer's job. One of them is just to clear a pathway through this bramble side of the house. It's like a public field one side of the property, and they've got this bramble here, but they'd like some access cut through there, so that'll be one of the jobs I'll be doing today. The other part is just a general tidy up of the front of the property, get rid of this ivy, tidy these beds up, trim the bush, create a bit of a lawn edge here, tidy that bed up. That's this front section tidied, the ivy's been removed, all the chippings and soil been weeded, trimmed this bush and gave it a bit more of a flower bed, cut into the lawn, tidied that up. So the customer's happy with that. Let's get around to the back. Okay, let's get this cut for the customer. Okay, so one of the main reasons the customer wanted this section cleared was so the heating engineers could gain access to the boiler flue and condense and PRV pipe here. So we've definitely done that. But what I'm going to do now, the customer's asked if I can just go the way to the end here. So I've got good access now to the boiler flue and pipes, but we're going to get all the way to the end now. Okay, so as you can see, I've gone as far as the customer wanted me to go. They've got good access to the boiler and a little bit further beyond, but that's as far as they want here. So on to the next job. Another little job I suggested to the customer. I sort of started it here, but just to go and clean all this curb stone up, get all that grass off there, tidy that up. That's another little job done for them.